Today I want to talk about project one and explain how you can write the code for this project. Question number one says, write a program to produce the following output. It displays a rectangle and a square. So when you go to Visual Studio, you get to this page. You can create a new project. And then there are different projects here. I select empty project and I click next. I give it a name like project one. I click create. It drops an error. I change the name to 1, 2, 3, 4, like a specific name. And I click create. So when I create the project, I get to this screen. If you pay attention, we have source files. I right click on the source files. I'll say add new item. I click add. I get this new file here, which is a CPP file. I want to write some code here. I start with hashtag include IOStream. I say hashtag include IOMAN IP. I type using namespace std. I have a main function. I end my program with return 0. So if I click on this line 30 and I click this green local window debugger, it will run. When it runs, you can see the output. If I go to the output, you see we have a black screen here, which that is your output. Now I want to write the code to produce that specific output for question one. So if you look at question one, it says it says a rectangle and a square. I go back to my Visual Studio. With the cout statement, you can display something on the screen. So I say cout, and then I want to create that specific output. I want to display these dashes. I put some dashes here. And then I put some spaces here. And I put some more dashes. So that is the first line. For the second line, I can put another cout statement. Put some space. Semicolon and enter. So I created two of those. If I copy and paste this, and if I copy and paste this first line, and I run it, when I go to my output, it's not organized. In order to make this organized, I need to send the second line to the next line. So I go back to my Visual Studio. I put \n here, and I put \n and \n. These \n's will make the cursor to go to the new line. I run my program again. I go back to my output. You can see I get two boxes here, which I need to space them out. So I put some spaces. And I run it again. I get two boxes here. So let's take a look at question one again. You can see that we have a rectangle and a square text. I want to add that text to my code. I put another cout statement. And I put the \n here. If I go back to my output, I get two boxes here, which they have rectangle and square under them. So if I put more spaces before square and I run it again, it looks nice and organized. This is question number 1. So when you write your code, you can put a comment in your program and say, for example, Q1, and then work on it. Then you can say Q2 and work on the next question. Let's take a look at the second question. Second question is saying, write a program to produce the following output. We have a rectangle there, which it has width equal to 25 and length equal to 35. I go back to my Visual Studio. First, I want to create a rectangle. If I just copy this code and put it here, and if I take out the second part, and I run it, you can see that I'm getting one rectangle here. I want to make it kind of bigger and then add length equal to 30 and width equal to 25. I put another cout statement here. I say length equal to 30 ft. I want to add width equal to 25. I run my code and I want to see how my output looks like. I get a rectangle there, square, then I get another rectangle which shows width equal to 25 and length equal to 30. If I want to make it bigger, I can put some more dashes there to make that box bigger. And I can take out some spaces here and then try it. It looks nice. So this was question number 2. Let's take a look at this third question. Question 3 says, write a program to produce the following menu. We want to display this text menu and then drinks, large, medium. I start with the first line, which is the menu. I say C out, and I display that first line. And it will send it to the new line. I want to display the drinks. I go to the new line and I say C out drinks. And I put /n here. I say C out large. I put some spaces here, large. I want to put some dots here, and then 1.10. So we have large, medium, but the medium is $1. We have sandwiches. And then we have 6-inch and 11-inch. Six inches, $2.10. 11 inches, $3.75. If I run my program, I get the desired output. I can take out some of those dots to make it more organized. And run it again. Now it looks nice. This was project one.